Hello guys, I'm Hassan Shakur and I'm from CAD Gizmo. Friends, in this lesson we will learn about mirror text command in AutoCAD 2021. So guys, let's start the video. So guys, before I start the video, please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to see the latest updates. Friends, in this video we will see the mirror text command in AutoCAD 2021. So guys, before we use the mirror text command, we use the simple mirror tool, and for that we use these two geometries. And for that, first you can select your object and select the mirror tool, specify the axis and you can mirror. It is not make the mirror of these three text, it just make the copy. And if you want to mirror these three text, you can use the mirror text tool. Now we see this example. Now here we have text and the size. If I mirror this, it just make a copy, not mirror it. And for that we can use the mirror text tool. Now we delete these two objects. And now we see the mirror text. For mirror text, you can type in the command line mirror text and press enter. Now you can see it is set on 0. Now you can set it on 1 unit and press enter. Now we see the changes. Now if I make this mirror, select the axis and give the direction and click on no. Now you can see the mirror tool not only make the copy of this object but also mirror this text, because we set the mirror text variable onto 1 unit. And we also see the changes on this geometry. Select this and mirror it. Give the axis point and press enter. So in this way it make mirror of our text. Now if I set my variable on 0 and press enter, now if I mirror this object, give the access point, now you can also see it only make a copy now. So in this way you can use the mirror text tool according to your requirements. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please leave a comment, and guys, take care of yourself and see you soon in the next video.